Hello, my name is Jacky. I'm a registered massage therapist of Ontario and currently working in TUINA. Hello, today I'm going to demonstrate a case with clients coming with side neck pain. So first I'm going to do a general warm-up to prepare the tissue for future treatments. So what I'm going to do is it's very superficial and very general with light pressure with a finger kneading on the neck area. So it's very important to warm up the tissue. It's not just because the muscle is very tight and if you just directly put pressure against the muscle, it might increase the risk of tissue damage, but also to let the client get familiar about your touches to soothe the nerve system so the muscle won't guard against your pressures. And after the muscle has been warmed up, the next thing I'm gonna do is called muscle flipping. So it's a little bit different than the muscle kneading, which will be pressure down against the muscle and with a circular movement. So the purpose of the muscle kneading is to move out the congested blood within the muscle. But with the muscle flipping, what I'm gonna do is to try to move the muscle from side to side. So look what I'm doing. So it's a little bit fast and it's just upward and down. It's like playing a guitar string. So when the string is very tight and when you flip it, it's gonna create micro vibrations. And when the muscle is very tight, it's just like a string. And when you flip on it, it's a vibration that will separate the muscle fibers within the muscle groups that is actually stick together. So it's very important to separate muscle fibers first before we actually move on to any deep tissue massage.